Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Cusimax hot plate electric burner, a versatile and portable cooking solution perfect for office use, camping, parties, and more. With its compact design and powerful 1500W heating element, this hot plate offers 7 thermostatically controlled heat settings, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes from warm sauces to scrambled eggs, and even keep food warm as an extra burner. Compatible with all types of cookware, including aluminum, copper, and cast iron, the Cusimax hot plate ensures efficient heating with minimal heat loss, all while being safer than induction cookers as it emits no harmful radiation. Its durable black stainless steel body is easy to clean with just a wipe, and the non-slip feet keep it securely in place during use. Safety is a priority with features like overheat protection, an automatic safety shutoff function, and a stylish indicator light, all regulated by a thermostat to prevent damage or injury. Plus, Cusimax backs their product with a 30-day hassle-free return policy and an 18-month promise, ensuring peace of mind with every use. So whether you're in a confined space or just need an extra cooking surface, the Cusimax hot plate is your go-to solution for efficient and safe cooking. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.